What started out as a joke is not very funny anymore. Hi, who?
Good afternoon, I'm Antonia Atkinson, and today we're bringing you news from TVJ. Hold on. I remember what you say. Hold on, that group. Well, this is actually TVJ Off the Clock. It's an independent creative series. The views expressed do not necessarily reflect those of TVJ. So, this is TVJ Off the Clock. Welcome. So today we're going to be speaking to a very controversial individual, they may say. We're speaking to the opposition party, Jamaica National Party President, One Clause.
Never feel.
How are you doing?
I'm doing quite well, thank you.
How is this campaigning going?
It's been very interesting to see the attention shown by every Jamaican from all walks of life. And I'm very, very excited to see the engagement, especially shown by young people. It shows that regardless of what's happening on the phone, they do care about real life events and they just want their chance to be a part of it.
Fortunately, Bad Siki could not be here because of emergency reasons. But how do you feel going up against the FJP?
It's all love, no hate. Put your ex beside the gate. Hi, this is the president of the FJP.
The FJP has fielded a very strong candidate. Leader of the opposition, President Batsiki, he relates to the majority of Jamaicans, and his story, his rise, has been nothing short of inspirational. He's opened the gate for me to lead the country, and he's opened the gate for me to show you that there's a better way and a better chance. So we thank opposition leader Batsiki for opening the gate.